Hi, I'm Jenny Grima. I'm here with the Charleston Metro F.O.O.L.S for EJ's Weekends. We talked a little bit about lines over ladders during this training. Just a few tips when you're doing lines over ladders. Using your ladder to be able to offset some of that weight with gravity with a charged line works really nicely instead of hanging it over the side. As well as if you put your ladder in the window and you have the tips just a little bit more, this top run works kind of like a hose roller as you're bringing the hose over into the window. So it helps kind of ease it in, gets rid of some of that friction as you're bringing it over the top.
Yeah, and that's why they call me